Hello everyone, welcome to the PVP Legacy Launch podcast where we invite our alumni to share their success story. In this podcast, we will unravel the world of pharmacy and healthcare in a way that is easy to understand and it's actually useful. Myself, Varsha Binimala, the first year student of Diploma in Pharmacy of this Prem Lila Vittal Das Polytechnic, your host for today's episode. I'm really excited about this episode because we are talking about something that often gets overlooked. Yes, the real role of pharmacist in healthcare. Now, when you hear pharmacist, you probably imagine someone behind the counter handling you medicines, right? But trust me, pharmacists can do so much more than that. To help us dive deeper into this, we have a very special guest, Mrs. Neeta Pawar ma'am, an alumni of Premlila Vittal Das Polytechnic. I am excited that Mrs. Neeta Pawar ma'am has joined us to share her insight, experience and expertise. Welcome to the show, ma'am.
Thank you, Varsha. Thank you so much. I would like, first of all, I would like to thanks Principal Sir, PVP and HOD of Pharmacy Department, Vanita ma'am and Mamta ma'am for inviting me for this golden opportunity to share my views to all PVP students. I'm honored to be here for this podcast.
Can I ask a question to you?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
How do you feel coming back to the college after so many years?
It's feeling great. Actually, I'm feeling very proud that I got this invitation, and it's very grateful for me to invite for this occasion. Thank you very much for this.
Tell me your role in the lead of pharmacy of Godrej Memorial Hospital, where you were head of the pharmacist.
Actually, in Godrej Hospital, I'm heading pharmacy and purchase. I am involved in all the decision making processes. I contact doctors directly. In communication with doctors, we decide whatever to be procured in pharmacy brands. Even new literature reviews we are discussing with the doctors. I am the head of drug therapeutic committee meeting which I have to conduct for the doctors. I'm conducting, and in that we discuss all the drugs related to the new updates, new literatures, new and even AMS, antimicrobial stewardship. I am the most important person of that committee. We decide which antimicrobials we need to keep in our stock, which not to be kept. Even sometimes I refuse doctors also. If it is not valid, it is not going according to the guidelines. If any doctor has prescribed some medicine and which is not according to the protocol, and which norms are not, they are not following the norms according to the manufacturing guidelines, then I refuse doctors also sometimes. Even I am the part of this medication errors. We go through all the clinical pharmacist job profiles, that also we go through it. Even we decide all these adverse drug reactions are there. We have to continuous contact with pharmacovigilance for the errors and all, for the medication recalls, these all, even purchase vendor evaluation. I am the head of purchase committee also. I need to discuss, I need to finalize any medicines, anything, everything I have to discuss with the purchase members, and I used to finalize that. I'm the member who is handling everything over there related to the procurement.
That's great, ma'am. What do you think? Why should one choose this course, Diploma in Pharmacy?
Diploma in pharmacy, actually, when I started this course, that time I was totally blank about this. I just took admission, and I was not expecting anything from as a pharmacy profession. I was thinking I will do this, but I was not having any I was totally blank about this. But when I joined this training, that in that training I came to know how is the pharmacy is going on. I learned lots of things in that training. In hospital training, theory knowledge was good, but as compared to theory, training is very important. In that training, you learned whatever. Theory and training is totally different. You learn lots of things which are you it will move towards your path. You will come to know कि I have to go to pharmacy line. I have to do this in my pharmacy profession. It's really grateful that I am there in pharmacy. And one thing I want to tell you, I graduated in 1998 from PVP. After that, I joined Holy Spirit Hospital at the initial stage. Then afterwards, my unexpected journey started from there with rewarding sessions and all. But afterwards, again I joined Godrej Memorial Hospital with incredible team. There also I'm handling everything all as a head. But this everything is possible because of PVP teachers. They have trained us as like, and they carved us like that ki everything we can present ourselves, we can present others like it with other our actions. Our work and actions tells everything to others ki this is a PVP students. When
Students.
I passed from PVP, I used to think ki, this PVP students are different than other students. I used to check that even I am in charge. When I am getting students from other colleges and PVP colleges, their work of pattern is different as compared to the others. I
Yeah.
used to say, and I appreciate our teachers for that, and really thankful for the teachers because their training is different as compared to other
Other
colleges.
colleges, yeah.
Yeah.
Before we jump in a serious conversation, can you please share about yourself and your journey from student of diploma in pharmacy to head of pharmacy?
That I told you, actually, that after diploma I started this Holy Spirit, and that I explained you already, and Godrej Memorial Hospital. Before that, after passing out pharmacy, we went to Holy Spirit Hospital as a trainee
Okay.
over there. As a trainee, that time they were not taking trainees in Holy Spirit Hospital. From me, they have started taking trainees over there. And that time she used to, ma'am used to, that sister Rekha was there, HOD was pharmacy department. She was very surprised to see our work, our pattern of work. She said that hats off to PVP students that time. And then afterwards from Holy Spirit, she don't allowing me to leave from there. She used to tell me, you stay over here, I want you here. Because of our and this work pattern of work. Then after that, I left from there to Godrej Hospital. I joined over there. 20 years I'm working over here. I started from 2005 to till 2000 now. Yet I am working over there. 20 years I completed in Godrej, from junior pharmacist to senior, then again in charge, then head. Like that, my journey has started over there in Godrej.
It's truly motivated to us that you are working 20 years in Godrej Memorial Hospital. Can you please share about your favorite memory of this college, Premlila Vithaldas Polytechnic, where you were student once here?
Cultural activities. I never used to take part in cultural activities in other colleges, when from where school and colleges. But when I arrived here in PVP, I miss our teachers are like that. They used to tell ki, "Arey part lo, you take part in this."
Yes.
They are very helpful. They used to tell and they used to tell us ki, you take part in this, you will have, means you will get some energetic, you will have some inspiration from this, you take part. Then we have taken culture once we have done, we have got prize also for dance Omkar Swarupa. I remember that program was there in SNDT Churchgate.
Yes.
For our group,
Yes.
we were the part of that, and it was a very, means I can't forget that performance.
What thing about college do you still miss today?
Till we miss today our teachers, missing that, means we used to sit anywhere in and enjoying anytime.
Friends.
Freedom was there in our college. There was not like that कि यहाँ पे मत बैठो, वहाँ पे मत जाओ, ये मत करो, वैसे मत करो. It was not like that. After lecture, अगर आपका lecture नहीं है तो you can go and sit in library. I used to enjoy in library also.
Yes.
Because there were different types of books with other this jewelry design, fashion designing, means multiple aspects we were having in library to see. Means only pharmacy it was not like that in our college. Even extramurals, they used to take lectures. From these extramurals, they used to call the speakers, like from them we can inspire ki I also want to do like something like them in future. That also is very means I was very happy for that.
Ma'am, how was the relationship with the faculty members there?
They were very helpful and inspirational, used to help anytime, and they're ready to help anytime for us. And valuable relationship was there with them. And even they, if there is any difficulty, I can go to Kabnurkar sir anytime. For any difficulties, we can go and ask sir was ready to answer our questions. Even I remembered Aarti ma'am joined that time. She was very totally new, but she was with very smiling face, ready to answer any questions anytime, ready to solve any difficulties for us. Even Pantaki ma'am was there that time. I remembered she was very knowledgeable and used to answer anything anytime. Very helpful.
Okay. You still miss them?
Yeah, sure.
Which was your favorite subject at that time?
Favorite subject, I liked practicals,
Practicals.
pharmaceutical
Same,
practice,
ma'am. Same.
pharmaceutical practice, because we other pharmacochemistry and other we are doing everywhere in 11 12 also we have done other, but this is the special means we used to prepare the suppositories,
Yes.
ointments,
Creams.
and about that thickness of that ointment, and in checking that labeling and bottles labeling and
Yes,
all. I
ma'am.
used to miss. I was very interested in that, doing that.
It is all new to us.
New to us,
Okay.
and even pharmacognosy also. I can tell you that this one slides and all taking for
Yes.
the flow and all, and checking in this microscope and all. It was very interesting to
Yes.
check and miss. I used to. I was surprised to see when this in that one a small claw, how much small else everything is there. Contents are there. From that means we have learned lot. That
Ma'am, this is about your favorite subject. What about unfavorite subject? Ma'am? Least favorite subject?
least favorite subject like that. There was nothing for me
No?
at least.
Okay. That was nice.
But I was not liking this pharmaceutics theory part. Theory part was very boring for me, but practicals I enjoyed all of the practicals. I used to enjoy.
Ma'am, now we both are comfortable with this conversation. Let's have talk about the profession. I feel like pharmacists do not get enough credit for their work. What do you think about it?
Uh, no, it's not like that. Pharmacy now after COVID scenario, pharmacist role has changed. Pharmacist has a vital role. There means everyone comes to know कि now pharmacy without supply chain you can't do anything. Without pharmacy, without medicines, for COVID fevers and all, at COVID time also fever medicine नहीं तो कैसे patient ठीक होगा? It was like that situation. So they came to know कि pharmacy is very important, like face masks and that all the aprons, everything. Who is supplying? Supply chain, pharmacy,
Pharmacist
they are
will
the part
supply.
of that. Without that, nothing can manage. So
Yes, ma'am.
it was not like it was like that previously, but after COVID scenario, everything had changed. Pharmacist importance has increased in the community, and everyone knows who is the pharmacy, what is the pharmacy, what pharmacy do, but it is in our hand to make it
Yes, ma'am.
important more than expectation of patients.
Yeah, ma'am. ऐसे भी कोविड के टाइम पे मेडिकल्स का इम्पोर्टेंस तो बहुत ज़्यादा था, ये सबको पता चल ही चुका है. इट्स ट्रू. देन व्हाट हाउ डू यू थिंक द रोल ऑफ फार्मासिस्ट हैज इवॉल्व बियॉन्ड जस्ट डिस्पेंसिंग मेडिकेशन?
Dispensing medication is one of the important role of pharmacy, but I used to tell my staff also कि don't think after joining pharmacy कि मुझे बस medicines देना है और मेरा काम हो गया. It is not like that. Beyond dispensing, you have other roles also. Counseling. You need to counsel to the patient like way कि patient will come to you back again.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that you have to counsel to the patient. Otherwise, पेशेंट को आपने बोला ये दोपहर को लो, ये रात को लो, ये 4 बजे लो, ये 5 बजे लो और जाइए. It is not like that. You have to take concern. You have to speak properly कि they should understand. उनको समझ में आया क्या ये भी चेक करो. खाली बोल के it's not enough for them. You have to explain it properly. Counseling is one of the important job for the pharmacist. After that, beyond dispensing, marketing is there. They can go for the marketing also. They should have skill of speaking. It's explaining to the this purchasers. Even they can go for the this clinical pharmacist.
Yes.
Clinical pharmacist has very important role in pharmacy. They have to go through the patient medication. They have to check whether patient has got proper medications or not. if they are having drug duplications, therapeutic duplications are there, or any food drug interaction, that also they need to check clinical pharmacist. Everything they have to go through that. Even purchase, even these negotiations with the vendors, that is also the important part of pharmacy. They have to do vendor evaluation. It is not like that कि ये मंगाया मेडिसिन और हो गया काम. Pharmacy is not like that कि कौन सा भी मेडिसिन मंगाया, डॉक्टर ने बोला ये लीक मंगा के दो, ये मंगाया और हो गया. You have to check the authorization, their drug license for the FDA approvals, whatever they have or not. That is also there. Even this immunization, now pharmacist is in immunization also. Immunization is also now we have started in community pharmacist. Even I have attended that training. In COVID also pharmacist has helped lot to for the immunization program. Even then this R&D, research and development department, R&D, there is a requirement of pharmacist. This even I can tell you majorities are there. It is not that pharmacy is only related to dispensing. Pharmacist has vast job profile.
Yes. Ma'am, as you are working with doctors, do you think doctors values your input as a pharmacist?
Yes, doctors, but you should be confident about that. Doctors values your input when you are confident about yourself,
Yes.
and you have the proper information about the medicine. When you are opposing doctors for some procurement or some medicine, you should have proper information. Then only you can do that. I have gone to that level ki I can oppose doctors now. And that level you have to come, you have to make your level according to that, your studies, your upgradation of knowledge about medicines, then only you can speak to them.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what are the career opportunities for pharmacy diploma holders apart from pursuing the degree courses?
Career opportunities, that only I told you, clinical pharmacist is there,
Yes.
PharmD is there, PharmD now doctorate, they are according equivalent to doctorates. That also pharmacist can go for that. Even this AI automation nowadays, they can go for that. Lots of computer courses are there. We after doing that, you can go upgrade your knowledge. And this is the requirement right now for the pharmacist. If you have the extra knowledge about AI and these computers, then you can go ahead with your journey. Different journey. You have even you can do blockchain. Blockchain methods are there from the supply
Yes.
chain to the receiver. That yeah, that also you have to learn. That is also very much important. Even this counseling is one of the important part of pharmacist profession. You need to be very soft. You should have all the data. In prescription also you can cross check. Sometimes now doctors are writing medicines like drug duplications, same content medicine with different brands. It has happened, and I have corrected the doctors also sometimes. Sir, you have written two same medicines in one prescription, because patient is not aware of this. Patient are thinking कि हाँ चलो medicines है ना, same लिखा है ना तो ले लेते हैं. But pharmacist should have knowledge about that कि ये ऐसे ऐसे दो medicine है. Even I used to tell my pharmacist कि this you should know the content. Only don't do dispensing. Whenever you are dispensing, you should have idea about the drugs content, their functions. What will happen if it is not given in proper dosage? What will be the side effects, contraindications? That also the pharmacist should be aware of that. Even this in that this these all aspects are there. Even manufacturing also pharmacist can go. They have the important role in that. Clinical research department is there in manufacturing. They are taking pharmacist if you are additional. But it's not easy for them. This everything whatever is there. Beginning is difficult for each and every pharmacist.
Ma'am, as you are working with doctors and as you are saying that sometime you advise to the doctors, I am glad to meet you today. And what are some key trends that shaping the future of pharmacy?
Pharmacists should be knowledgeable. They need to update themselves. It is not easy that you are gone in your profession and you got success. It is not like that easy. You need to upgrade your experience, practice. Need to go through. Means they have to overcome these all the challenges. Then only they can reach to the that scope, whatever is required for the profession. Even practice is required. Networking is also very important for the
Yes.
pharmacist. Networking is not there, then how you will know that where is you can get which better opportunity is there, where is there, that you should know from the your networking only. Even they should have self care. Sometimes pharmacists are not taking care of health also. This is
Yes.
also very important. And pharmacy career is like that, it is depend on the self choice also.
Yes.
Some those who want to go to the ahead of in career of pharmacy, they are going out of the box, means they are trying anywhere outside countries and all for their future. Sometimes some are comfortable with the near job, location wise. Even their personal interest are also there. They are choosing according to their this interest, that they want to do career here only. But it's not like that. Pharmacy is having vast opportunities in profession. Even this is for the pharmacists, they have the they can counsel to the patients. Counseling centers are there, proper counseling center. In that they can explain to the suppositories and all are there,
Yes.
how to use that. Even patches are there. Patches should not be eaten, it you have to apply that. Everything pharmacist has opportunity, they have to explain to the patients properly. Counseling is very important. Even that this AI automation is there. In AI automation, it is very helpful for them to collaborate all the data. Even coding is there nowadays started for the pharmacist. Coding, my majority pharmacists are going for that coding system. In coding also you can do, miss, you have to code the patients. And if after coding that patients, all data you will get. From that you can get the patient's history, what medicines they are taking, what medicines interaction they are having, what precautions they need to take. And in COVID we have faced this issue, that patient used to admit in hospitals, and patient was not having patient data was not available with the users. Then they used to start with the current medicines, and patient has got side effect because of this. Because patient was having some BP and sugar
Yes.
problem, and medicine is not given, and only he is taking the current medicine. And majority more complications started for the patients. So pharmacists should upgrade themselves with the patient's data, medicines knowledge. It's very important.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, as you are saying that AI and technology changes the pharmacy practices, but does that mean pharmacists might eventually be replaced by AI in future?
No,
No.
AI will not replace pharmacist, because personal contact, personal counseling is very important. AI will not do that. AI only is for the this operations. AI is also operated by humans.
Yes.
It is not without human. It is incomplete.
It is incomplete.
There is and for the regulations, these FDA regulations are there, or whatever authorities or whatever means everything is responsible human. Pharmacist is responsible for the authorities and all everything. So AI is alone, is it is not helpful. It is handicap totally. Without pharmacy, pharmacist is required, human touch is required. Without human, AI is
AI
nothing.
is nothing. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Ma'am, what are some biggest hurdles when pharmacy graduates face when starting their career?
Biggest hurdle means they want to start, they want smart money, fast money.
Yes.
That is their problem. They want to start immediately with the fast money and easy job, immediate in any company or anywhere at starting. But it is not like that. They have to work hard. Then only they will achieve something in life. That they have to know, they need to know. And first they need to search, they should be active on chat gpt, google and AI for all the information. They need to go through it for the pharmacy profession information. Because whenever some any pharmacist comes to me for the interviews and all, they are not aware of medicine knowledge.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. They can't answer the what is the lookalike, sound alike, or what is there in that. Only they are just coming and sitting over there. It is not like that. You need to upgrade yourself. Pharmacists need to upgrade. Then they can go. They can arrive easily, and hard work is very much important for them.
Ma'am, did you imagine yourselves 23 years before you could achieve so much success in this career?
Yes, I can imagine that, but it was very difficult for that time. At least now it is very easy for you, all people, because you have now AI. Anything is there. You can search on Google and everything you are getting. We were not having like that.
Yes.
Even I know, I remember from this AI. When I started my career, that time in Holy Spirit, we used to use manual books. Means like for medicines, MRPs, medicines का everything we used to remember and manual bills बना के patients को हम लोग देते थे. It was like that. Then afterwards computer came, then all data inserted in it, and then it was very easy for us because of these computers and AI. But you see that what struggle we have faced beginning, what everyone has faced with the manual data and all. Now it is very easy for you all to manage it.
Now it is very easy. Every data was found
Yeah, means
in just a second.
I remember in FDA, we have applied in 2005, and if I want any data for in 2015, then they have to remove all the files. And they have to check whether ये कहाँ पे था, who's this, and everything like this filing we used to see. We used to monitor and everything. But now it is on single click. Online
click,
it is there. Everything you can see there. Renewal is there, all the details are there, everything is there. It is totally easy now for all pharmacists also. You also
In
have
every field.
lots of opportunities because of this AI and all.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, would you like to give some advice to our Premlila Vithaldas Polytechnic Diploma in Pharmacy student?
I am really happy to be here because this college has given me lots of opportunities to smile. It has given. I can I will always cherish all memories of my college. This I would like to give suggestion to the pharmacist that be positive with your profession. Our profession is not it is a struggleful, but you need to be very positive. You need to this update your continuous update your this knowledge about your profession, and this growth is there, development is there in our profession if you will do hard work.
Thank you, ma'am. Your advice is truly motivated to us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your valuable insight, experiences today with us today. And your dedication to the field of this field is truly inspiring to us. And I'm sure that our listeners will appreciate the knowledge and advice you have shared to us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your valuable time to us.
Thank you, Varsha, and thank you all my listeners for listening to us. Self-engage, stay motivated, stay engaged, and try to make impact on in your all the activities. It should, whatever you do it positively, and give. Everyone should see that it is very important for us in our profession.
Thank you so much, ma'am.